Baby Changing Pad. Diaper Bag Changing Pad by Harmlin is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Click above to get yours now. Travel changing pad for changing anywhere. This baby diaper changing pad is mainly used for baby out with the essential items, but also can be suspended in strollers, baby umbrella car, baby tricycle and other stroller. At the same time it also can be used at home. Waterproof and easy to clean. The premium quality is highly waterproof, which let this changing pad leave no mess, and make parents' job easier. Warm reminder. If you need to clean this pad, hand wash softly within 5 minutes is okay, please do not use machine wash. Lightweight and functional. This foldable changing clutch with storage pockets makes diapering hassle-free. The outer zippered pocket and mesh pocket designed to hold everything handy, like diapers, wipes, creams, baby oil or small toys. Great gift for expectant mother or father. When the baby goes out, often have to change diapers to the baby, moms often worry that there is no clean place for the baby lying. With this diaper pad is convenient, effective to keep your baby away from the pollution of public places. No risk purchase. We are confident that you'll love this portable diaper changing pad, but if you are not satisfied, just please directly contact them for a full refund or free replacement. Have a try, and you'll definitely like it.